Alright, so first of all, I really want to say thank you to all the people that have called to reach out to me since this thing happened. Even some people that I did not think would call to check up, they've called to check up, so I really want to say thank you. And also, I want to thank God for the progress so far. We have been able to recover 78 million, even though the suspect pointed that the person that he did it with has run to Ghana.
Social media personality and critic Martins Otse, popularly known as VeryDarkMan, VDM, has revealed that 78 million naira has been recovered from Akazu Breach's NGO website, while an accomplice who holds the remaining funds has reportedly fled to Ghana. The disclosure was made in a lengthy video currently trending on X, formerly known as Twitter. NaijaNews reported VeryDarkMan announced that his NGO website had been hacked, resulting in the theft of 180 million naira. Amidst public backlash, VDM provided an update in a new video confirming the partial recovery of funds. He stated that the arrested suspect confessed the accomplice responsible for the remaining amount had escaped to Ghana. Consequently, VeryDarkMan expressed his intention to travel to Ghana soon. Part of his statement reads, "First of all, I really want to say thank you to all the people who have reached out to me since the incident happened. Even people I didn't expect have called to check on me, and I'm really grateful. Thankfully, we've recovered 78 million naira, though the arrested suspect admitted his accomplice had fled to Ghana. Hopefully, we'll head to Ghana soon. As it is, the ongoing investigation has now reportedly extended beyond Nigeria's borders, with plans to pursue the alleged thief to Ghana." VeryDarkMan's updates continue to draw attention and criticisms, with many following the case closely as it develops. As the investigation progresses, questions remain about the full circumstances surrounding the theft, and the public awaits further details as questions keep popping on the recovery efforts and the involvement of the Ghanaian authorities. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to monitor the story closely for more real-time updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.